Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great day today. So in this video, we have a lot to go over. We have some awesome deals at Dollar General this week. I've picked out the best ones for you. We're going to go over those really quickly, and we have some awesome glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so to start off, I want to say I do recommend that on Sunday you guys use the website to sign in and clip your digital coupons. That way they will all show up at once and you can kind of scroll through and pick out the higher value coupons that you want to clip to your account instead of just going through and clipping them all. And also, you need to sign in and enroll in these DG rewards so that if you complete one, you will get the coupon applied to your account. So first up, we have spend $10 on the wonderful pistachios and you'll earn $2.50 on your next trip. So that $2.50 will show up as a digital coupon on your account. So whenever you purchase the wonderful pistachios, you want to make sure that you type in your phone number at the register so that that amount can be applied toward your DG rewards. Now, I'm not quite sure about this next one, but go ahead and enroll in it anyways. It's spend $35 on Good and Fun and Dreambone products, and you will receive a $7 off coupon for your next purchase. Now, here's a DG reward that I'm excited about. It's spend $15 on any cereals, and you'll earn $3 off on your next trip. So that is a really good one. We always get really good cereal deals at Dollar General. This one is a really good one too. We have buy 5 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew or Frito-Lay products and you will get 1 for 1 cent on your next trip. And here's another good one as well. We're all going to be buying Mother's Day and Father's Day cards here pretty soon. So when you spend $5 on the American greeting cards, you'll earn $1 off on your next trip. Next up, we have spend $20 on the Hormel, Herdez, Natural Choice, Dinty Moore, Mary Kitchen, and Spam products, and you'll earn $5 off on your next trip. Next up, we have buy 5 of the Dreyer's Singles ice cream sandwiches, and you'll get 1 for 1 cent on your next trip. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into the digital coupons, but first we have some DG store coupons that I wanted to go over. We did receive a new Gain Digital, but it is a 5 off 30. So not that 5 off 20 I was looking forward to, but it's something that we can work with. So make sure that you clip that to your account because any DG store coupon will stack with manufacturer coupons. Next up, we have save $3 when you spend $10 on Dollar Shave Club and Degree products. Now, I know when you're in the store, these little tags can be quite confusing, so don't get this confused with the instant savings deals because this is a DG store coupon where you can only use that one time versus instant savings you can use multiple times. And next up, we have save $3 when you spend $9 on all Dove products. So that is a really awesome coupon. I cannot wait to see what kind of manufacturer coupons we have to match up with that. Alright, so here is our good deals and glitch list video. We're going to start off with some paper products. So we have these Sparkle paper towels, 6 count. These are normally $5. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, making these just $4.50. Next up, we have the Charmin Essentials Bath Tissue, 12 count. These are normally $5. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon. You may have 2 of these on your account, so double check. But that will leave you paying just $4. Next up, we also have the Bounty Essentials 6 count paper towels. These are normally $5.50. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, making these just $4.50. Next up, we have a deal on Pepsi and Mountain Dew, the 18-pack cans. These are normally $5.95. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon this week, making these just $4.95. Next up, we have a deal on the Powerades. So these are normally 80 cents each. We have a buy 3, get 1 free digital coupon, making these $2.40 for 4. Next up, we have a deal on the Malto Meal cereal bags. These are normally $3.85. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, making those just $2.85. These are also on sale this week, 2 for $7. And I feel like we have a rebate out there somewhere for these Malto meal cereals. Now, I pulled up my Shopkick app, and there is one there, but it's for Walmart. And I could not get Shopkick to pull up my Dollar General store, so I'm not quite sure what's going on there. But if you guys know of a rebate out there for these cereals, please let me know down in the comment section below so that I can share with everybody else. Alright, so next up we have some deals on dog food. So we have the Purina Benefil dry dog food 3-pound bags. These are normally $5.95. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon making those just $3.95. And also today we received a 3-off-1 digital coupon. So if you have that one clipped as well, you can pick up another bag for $5.95. Use this 3-off-1 digital coupon and that will leave you paying $2.95. Next up, we have the 3-ounce Right Guard deodorant. These are normally $2.25. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, making that just $1.25. And keep in mind that we still have that instant savings of save 2 when you spend 7 on Dial, Tone, or Right Guard products. Alright guys, so here's a coupon from last week, but I did want to mention it. It's a really good coupon. So on the 2-ounce Olay moisturizers, these are priced at $6.75. We have a 3-off-1 digital coupon making these just $3.75. Next up, we have the Jergens Natural Glow Lotion. These are priced at $5.50. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon making these just $3.50. And next up, we have another Jergens coupon. So we have a deal on the 10-ounce Jergens lotion. There are different scents that you can choose from. These are priced at $3.50. After this $1.50 off one coupon is applied, that will leave you paying just $2. Next up, we have this DG store coupon on the Studio Selection body washes. Now, there's different ones that you can choose from, but this coupon is buy one, get one 50% off. So if you pick up 2 of these Studio Selection body washes, they are priced at $2 each. After the coupon is applied, that will leave you paying $3 for 2, making those just $1.50 each. So up next, here is one of the deals of the week. You guys are going to see these all throughout the week and on Saturday for your 5 off $25 scenarios. So if you pick up 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends shampoos or conditioners, they are priced at $3.50 each. We have a 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon, and we have a $2 off when you spend 6 DG store coupon on the Garnier products. So if you pick up 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends, that's going to put you at $7. After both of those digital coupons are applied, that will leave you paying $2 for 2, making those just $1 each. Now, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. So you will have to choose which deal that you want to do on your account. But you could also use that save $2 when you spend 6 on Garnier products and do this deal right here. So you can pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners for $3 each. Use the 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon that we received on our accounts today and stack it with that DG store coupon, save 2 when you spend 6. That will leave you paying just $1 for 2, making those just 50 cents each, and that is an awesome deal. And here is another oldie but goodie. We have the Schick Classic Razor deal back. You can pick up the men's or the women's. They are priced at $4.50. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, making those just $1.50 after the coupon. So this week we also received some high value Colgate coupons. So we received this 4 off 2, and this is working on the Colgate toothpaste 3-pack. These are priced at $4 each. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $8. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon, and that will leave you paying $4 for a total of 6 tubes of toothpaste. So that's a really awesome deal. Now here's another really good Colgate toothpaste deal. The Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, that is normally $2.75 each. These are on sale 2 for $5 this week, and we still have that 5 off 3 digital coupon. So if you haven't taken advantage of this deal, this might be a good one to throw in with your 5 off 25 deals. But you can pick up 3 of those after that sale price kicks in and the 5 off 3 digital coupon. That'll leave you paying $2.75 for 3 tubes of toothpaste. Now again, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. So we have another deal with this 4 off 2 Colgate coupon. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Colgate toothbrushes 3 packs. These are normally $2.75 each. Use this 4 off 2 digital coupon that's working with these, and that will leave you paying $1.50 for 6 toothbrushes. Now that is an awesome deal, especially because we are all stocked up on toothpaste because of the glitch from last month. Alright, so next up we have some deals on some medicines. So if you want to pick up the DG Health Ibuprofen 100 count, these are priced at $2.50. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying just $1.50. Next up, we have an awesome deal with this Rexall coupon. So if you want to pick up the Rexall Vitamin D 360 count, these are priced at $1 each. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, making those just 50 cents. Next up, we received a 50-cent off one for the Suavitel products. So if you want to pick up the Suavitel fabric softener 50-ounce bottles, these are priced at $3 after the coupon. That will leave you paying $2.50. And also keep in mind that we still have that sale going on. Buy 2 of select Ajax Palmolive, Fabuloso, or Suavitel products, and you'll get 1 for free. Or you could also use the 50-cent off 1 Suavitel coupon on the Suavitel dryer sheets 40 count. Those are priced at $1.75 each. And after that coupon is applied, that will leave you paying just $1.25. Now next up, we have not had this deal in a long time, but I am glad that it is back. This is on the Bic Utility Lighters. These are priced at $3.25. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon that is attaching to these, making these just $1.25. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into some glitches. We have this awesome glitch back on the Maybelline 2-pack eye pencils. These are priced at $3.25. We received a 2 off 1 for the Maybelline New York products, and it is glitching, making these just $1.25. Next up, we have a glitch on some more Craz toothpaste. We all need some more of that, am I right? Anyways, this will be a great filler item for Saturday, whether you need it or not. It's a great donation item. You can pick up the Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste Cool Mint or the Baking Soda Toothpaste. Those are priced at $2, so after this 1 off 1 digital coupon, that will leave you paying just $1. And here are the hot ticket items of the week. So we have this 2 off 1 Downy digital coupon that is glitching on several items. First up, we have the Downy Citrus and Vanilla Fabric Softener 34 ounces. These are priced at $2.95. So after this 2 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying just 95 cents. Or you could pick up the Downy Fabric Softener Sheets 34 count. These are priced at $2 exactly. So after that $2 coupon is applied, that will make those completely free. Or if you can find this item in the dollar aisle, you can pick up the Downy Liquid Fabric Softener for $1. This 2 off 1 digital coupon is glitching, making this completely free, plus giving us $1 in overage. So that is an amazing deal. And like I said before, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. So you can only use that 2 off 1 coupon one time. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Now please, please, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know, do you like the video for Sunday where I go over all of the new Dollar General digital coupons? I usually do this every week. I was doing it where I go through on my account and we kind of clip our coupons together. But I wanted to try to get the videos shorter for you guys so that it would be more enjoyable to watch. So let me know down in the comments below. I really do value you guys' opinion, so let me know what you think. Also, before you go, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't know what you guys are waiting on, but there are half of you out there who watch my videos that are not subscribed. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any deals. Also, another important thing that you need to do before you leave this video is hit that thumbs up button. It is a free way that you can help me grow this channel. We can get to 10K and we're going to do some awesome giveaways. So hit that thumbs up button. Tell YouTube that this is a really good video and we need to get this video out there further and invite some more crazy couponers into our group of family and friends. So hit that thumbs up button, and you guys know, leave me a comment down below, share the video. It really does make a huge difference. Alright guys, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I look forward to going couponing this week and sharing with you what I find. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.